The education world could change forever as OpenAI has launched a special version of ChatGPT built exclusively for teachers and verified US K-12 educators for free. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. ChatGPT for Teachers is the platform that gives educators unlimited messages with GPT 5.1 Auto, built-in web search, file uploads, app connectors, and even image generation, all in one secure workplace designed for real classroom needs. OpenAI says the goal is to help teachers save time, plan faster, and experiment with AI on their own terms. And unlike standard ChatGPT, anything teachers share inside the workspace won't be used to train models, keeping it FERPA secure and student safe. Teachers can even get responses by grade level, subject, or format, whether they need a lesson plan, discussion prompts, quizzes, or other material. They can also collaborate with colleagues, share chats, co-plan units, and build reusable custom GPTs across departments or entire districts. And this can connect with Canva, Google Drive, Microsoft 365, and more, so the teachers can generate content and instantly pair it with the tools they already rely on. OpenAI even included real examples from active educators, so newcomers can jump in with tried and tested workflows. OpenAI knows that teachers are already among the most active AI users, saying 3 in 5 educators are using AI tools today, and now they're getting a dedicated version built just for them. Can this change the way how we're taught at schools? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.